when you first came in.
I was miserable. I mean, I was in really bad shape, but like I said, headaches and crick in my neck and my lower back, and I feel so much better now. I mean, I get around great for being a retired old man, you know.
Seen you in a while.
I know it.
How have you been? You been doing good? Yeah? How's the back doing?
It's doing pretty good.
Yeah.
These days just can't do this.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, it's a little tight here.
Yeah. I feel you pop.
Yeah. Haven't even started. It's already. Alrighty, deep breath in here, let it all out. Good. Good. One more, deep breath in all the way out and out. Nice. Alrighty. Good.
I do what I can, you know.
Yeah. Have you been camping or anything? I know you went a few months ago.
Well, we're going to, but we had a bunch of work done in our house, so we didn't go. But we're going on Halloween night, and then we're going on Thanksgiving too.
Alright. Let's see. Go ahead and flip over all the way. Busted.
But I didn't say nothing.
Let's see.
Everything you needed to.
Oh yeah. JR has a really great testimony.
Yeah, I can't.
I'm gonna go right.
Like I said, you guys helped me a lot.
Oh yeah. One here. Good. We're gonna do one more. Bring it all the way to the left. Oh yeah. Awesome, awesome. Coming up.